सो दिस इज वन थिंग जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा थोड़ी सी बात करना चाहता हूँ इस चीज़ के ऊपर, बट लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द इंट्रो फर्स्ट. हे गाइस, व्हाट्स अप? आई एम डूइंग प्रीटी फकिंग डोप. नाउ लिसन टू मी. एक काफ़ी कॉमन सी चीज़ है जो चल रही है इस मानसफेयर के अंदर. बहुत सारे लोग कमेंट करते हैं कि भाई माई रिलेशनशिप इज दिस, माई डेटिंग, माई लाइफ, माई वट एवर, ब्ला ब्ला. बेसिकली फीमेल्स, थोड़ा सा अपोजिट जेंडर के बारे में बात करते हैं आज, ठीक है? तो एक चीज़ तुम ऑब्जर्व करो अपनी लाइफ में, और मेरे को अपने आप से ऑनेस्टली कह रहा हूँ, बहुत ऑनेस्टली कुछ सवालों के जवाब पूछो अपने आप से. एक बार दिल पे हाथ रखे कुछ सवाल पूछो. क्या मैं एक सर्टन तरह की कार इसलिए लेना चाहता हूँ ताकि मैं लड़कियों को दिखा सकूँ? उसका आंसर हाँ या ना पूछो. क्या मैं बॉडी इसीलिए बना रहा हूँ ताकि मैं लड़कियों के आगे अच्छा बन सकूँ? हाँ या ना. क्या मेरा सक्सेसफुल होने का रीज़न ये है कि आई वुड बी बेसिकली एक्सपोज टू अ लॉट ऑफ फीमेल्स बिकॉज आई एम सक्सेसफुल? हाँ या ना. If your mentality is like this, my brother in Christ, I want to tell you one thing: you are the part of the 90% of the majority. Because you are not able to desexualize yourself. These are the type of men who are very susceptible to get robbed because they conflate their success, their objective success with females. And when I'm using the word robbed, I'm just saying that you are nothing but a man used by a woman. बिकॉज तुमने हर एक चीज़ को इतना ऑब्जेक्टिफाई कर दिया है कि तुम्हें लगता है कि कुछ चीज़ पाने से कुछ चीज़ मिलेगी. लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग. थोड़ा सा तुम्हें ना माइंडसेट देता हूँ, हाउ टू व्यू वुमेन एंड हाउ टू व्यू थिंग्स. लेट्स से यू आर एबल टू मेक अ गुड रिप्ड बॉडी. लेट्स से यू आर एबल टू हैव अ गुड फिजिक, and let's say you have good finances as well. So does that makes you want to spend a lot on females? No. In fact, I'll tell you one thing. If you're a bit mindful about things, you'll realize one thing, that when a female knows that you are someone, that you are earning something, that you are doing something in your life, she would be the one paying for things in the initial start, in the hopes of that you would pay in future. That's a basic human nature I've experienced, observed throughout my life with a lot of people within myself. Take it. That's what I've seen. If a woman considers you something, she would pay up front. So if you think that this typical term called beta boxing, which is basically used by a lot of people, that explains you use money to attract females. No, that's not really true. There is a mindful way to do it, and there is a very retarded way of doing it. You feel me? You can use your money as a leverage over other social standards, societal norms. You don't have to use your money to impress people. You have to use your money to leverage socially. And from that leverage, a gap gets closed. When I'm saying a gap gets closed, it means people feel naturally inclined towards you. Why? They are not in that talking stage now. They just know who you are and they want to get to know you more. समझ रहे हो? So if you want to actually be known, if you actually want to be seen, heard, whatever these things are, you have to first desexualize yourself from all of these things and become something that's actually driven, not sexually, but I'm saying physically and financially for a good amount of time. ठीक है? 5 से लेके 12 से लेके 13 से 12 से 15 साल की उम्र में 3, 4, 5, 6 साल तुम इतना पोर्न वगैरह कंज्यूम कर लेते हो. It gets all about sex out of some time. I get it. तुम्हारी गलती नहीं है. We are just pre-exposed to all of these things, which makes us think like that. I get it. I completely get it. But मेरा point क्या है ना, कि I want you to desexualize yourself from females for a certain amount of time, because it can actually very, very, very much affect you, because teens for us and teens for females are absolutely opposite. Teens for women is basically fucking around. Most of the females. Fucking around here and there, going into the clubs, sitting with a rich guy, okay, boom, some beer, boom, some alcohol, and then go to his flat, get fucked, move, the second day, same shit, blah, blah, blah. That's how they spend, most of the times. ठीक है? जो लोग बाहर की पीछे लाइफ जीते हैं, उस लाइफ जीते हैं, they know all of this. They know that it happens very frequently. नहीं विश्वास होता, क्लब हम जाके देख लो, that's how it usually goes. ठीक है? So, what are the type of man they're hanging around with? Two possibilities. The first possibility is, बाप का लड़का, and he has all the privileges to do that. क्यों नहीं करेगा? बाप ने बहुत पैसे कमाए, and now he's enjoying his fruits. मेरे को objection नहीं है इस चीज़ से. I'm just explaining the possibilities that the type of woman who would do things with that person. ठीक है. पहला टाइप बाप का अमीर लड़का. दूसरा लड़का who's, I don't know, could be anything. Maybe he's someone who goes regularly there. Maybe he knows something. ठीक है. Maybe who just got rich and spends all of the money. Who knows? Two type of men in clubs that they go around with. मेरा पॉइंट क्या है इस चीज़ को समझाने का? मेरा पॉइंट ये है कि वो अमीर लड़का से तो जा रही है, वो लड़की का एक्सपीरियंस यू कैन नॉट फकिंग फैथम विद इट. समझो इस चीज़ को. तुम 16, 17, 18, 16 थोड़ा छोटा हो गया ब्रो. आई मीन आई डोंट थिंक सो ब्रो. आई हैव सीन 16-year-olds इन क्लब्स टू. आई वोंट कैप टू यू. ठीक है. तो 17, 18, 19, 20 साल की लड़कियों के लिए टीन लाइफ अलग है. लड़कों के अलावा मैक्सिमम ऑफ द लॉन्डे आर नॉट ऑफ दैट कैटेगरी. वी हैव टू बिल्ड आवरसेल्व्स. हम अपनी फाउंडेशन ईयर्स में हैं गाइस. प्लीज समझो इस चीज को. वी कैन नॉट फकिंग वेस्ट आवर टाइम थिंकिंग अबाउट हाउ कैन आई गेट pussy. Please, these are a foundation years. You're supposed to be at your peak physical and financial form, and you have to give it all in because जवानी एक ही बार आएगी. समझ रहे हो? जवानी एक ही बार आएगी, और जवानी में अमीरी के मजे जो होते हैं ना भाई, वो कभी बुढ़ापे में नहीं आ सकते. प्लीज गेट मी. सो इस चीज से तुम दो चीज सीखना. पहली चीज कि इट्स टाइम टू गेट लेजर फोकस्ड ऑन योर गोल्स, योर बिजनेस एंड योर सेल्फ, योर फिजिकल फॉर्म. Laser focused and put females aside. Don't conflate your goals with pussies. I want to do business because I want to earn 110 fucking crores, not because I want Lavanya's stinky fucking pussy. Please understand. I'm sorry, Lavanya, if you're watching this. I don't know. I'm sorry, but I just want my boys to get motivated from you. Okay. Fuck it. Whatever, guys. I don't want you to be motivated just because you want a pussy. Shut the fuck up. You're so pussy oriented. You're the type of man who would ditch your friend for a pussy. You are the type of man who would actually miss a business deal just because you're getting late today. That's why I'm saying you have to desexualize yourself. You're the type of man who women will rob. समझे मेरी चीज को? You are the type of man that will get used throughout your life. Because you're just not desexualized from females. You're overly sexualized and they would use it. Women have a power called pussy that can use any man she wants to. And if you are a slave to that power, just because you're too into these videos, how to talk to females, भाई मैं कुछ बताओ भैया, मैं बात करना चाहता हूँ, मैं उस लड़की से बात करना चाहता हूँ, मुझे एक बार हाथ लगाना है. एक shut the fuck up, you desperate fucking skunk. मेरी दादी ने टर्म यूज करती थी कि ना, जब तक आदमी खुद बनता नहीं है ना, उसकी आदत होती है रांडो के पास सूंघने की. I'm sorry if it offends you. I'm sorry if it's a weird slang, but मेरे गांव में काफ़ी यूज होता था, so I just said it. इसका मतलब क्या है? But a man is nothing. जब वो कुछ भी नहीं होता, he is basically crazy for pussy. समझ रहे हो? Because that's the only thing he can see. That's the only thing he can find pleasure in. समझ रहे हो? So guys, that's all. That's it for this video. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Please, मेरे नहीं तो कम से कम मेरी दादी की बात सुन लेना, ठीक है? And she was very right about it. I hope कुछ सेंस बनी होगी दिमाग में. I hope थोड़ा सा फोकस्ड होगी अपनी लाइफ को लेके, और इन सब चीज़ों से थोड़ा सा ब्रेक लोगे. Please cut yourself out from manosphere. It's time to get into the business and the peak physical form. That's all. Gonna see you in the next one, and then peace. अपना ध्यान रखो.